Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mama. If you're new here, of course you're very welcome to me. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I style my short hair. Yes, if you haven't watched like my previous video of me announcing that I cut my hair, okay, I cut my hair, and just maybe I might be feeling like cutting it again, but that's not the purpose of this video. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my hair styled like this. So sit back, relax, and of course enjoy. Okay, hi guys, so let's start. We're going to be starting with freshly washed hair. I just washed my hair this morning and then I let it air dry, so that's why it's like this. So this is my hair without any product inside. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to cast it with a mousse. So I'm going to be using hair care foam wrap set lotion. This is what it looks like. Alright, so I am just going to generously apply this on my hair. I want a side part, like this is how my hair was cut, so I'm just defining my part. Just going to do that. I already did it off camera, so I'm just cleaning it up basically. Alright, so I think the part is fine now. Right, so I'm just going to generously apply the mousse all over my hair and then cast it, and then I'll use my durag to set it, and then tomorrow morning I'll show you guys how I style it. So let's start this side. Just going to work it into my hair basically. So I haven't relaxed my hair in about a month, so I have like a lot of undergrowth. But the funny thing is I actually like my hair when it has the undergrowth as opposed to being freshly relaxed. Don't know, strange but okay. That's how I do like it.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you.
So I'm just going to use a comb to smooth everything down.
You like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do this right. Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry.
Alrighty, so I think we're good to go. Just going to tie my durag now. Alrighty, so gonna tie my durag.
You make me anxious. I think I might be stuck on you. I love the things you did for me. It seems like you're dropping clues. There's no need to.
Alrighty, so just going to leave this to dry till tomorrow morning, and then we start the styling tomorrow morning. So see you guys tomorrow morning. Alright, hi guys, so we're back. It's the following morning. My hair is dry, I hope. Let's find out. So I'm going to take off my durag now, and let's hope that my hair is dry. Okay. So for the most part, it is dry. I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I want to try and get rid of the lines that my drag made on my head. But first things first, I'm going to say comb out my hair, kinda.
And me talking through the night and through the morning, building chemistry. And I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me.
That being done, find the line of my face. Okay, so what do you need? Hair clips. I know that mine look crusty at the moment. I'm using them for a while. So hair clips, rat tail comb, and a straightener. I already preheat my straightener to 230, basically the highest one. I got my straightener from Tire Cuts. That's why I also got my haircut in case you guys want to know. So just going to try and redefine parting. Okay, so I like to start from the back and then walk my way to the front. So y'all, let's get straightened. I am in need of a trim. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So I'm just going to use the clips to try and pull the parts that I'm not straightening at the moment, so that it does not get in the way. So I'm just going to try and curl it. I really don't like a lot of curls in my hair. Plus another fun fact, I actually like my hair after I straightened it the following day after I've scarfed it down, and it's like a lot flatter. I don't know why, for some reason I prefer it that way, whether it's relaxed or I have like an undergrowth like this one. But yeah, let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. For the most part, I can't see what's going on at the back of my head, so I am just freestyling it.
When you came through that door, yeah, glowing like a headlight, independent all the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type.
So we're going to move over to this side. So I'm just going to do like the rest of the back and then come back and finish front for you guys.
Give me a taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be a chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over. Drive it like a chauffeur. Like a chauffeur.
Okay, so we have the last one. For the most part, we're done. So, this is what it looks like at the moment. I don't know if you guys can see the back properly. I hope it looks presentable, but yeah, this is what I do. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set my edges, and then I will scarf my hair down a bit because I do not like to be puffed up and I'm going out a little bit. So I just want it like a little bit flatter and maybe with less curls because I am not a curly girl.
Loving the way you move around me.
Okay. So I'm going to be using beeswax for the first time to set my edges. I've not done that before. Usually use cotton. But let's see how this goes.
Falling, yeah. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again in love. Yeah.
So You guys, I'm not sure if this beeswax is original because it don't really look like it's doing the work it's supposed to do. But I'm gonna try and set my edges right now.
She's my new boo. I'm watching her like YouTube. I wanna ride like choo choo. You love to do me cuckoo. Hey,
This wax is not waxing you. No wax. Okay, so I'm going to set my hair and then scarf it down because why? It didn't like poof. So I'm going to be using the got to be blasting free spray just because it works. Like people use regular holding spray, but you know why it is got to be. I don't know. It works for me, so.
cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling in.
That was a lot, but okay. Now I'm gonna scarf my hair and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. Hey, so I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. So this is the finished look. I'm going to turn so you guys can see the back. I hope that it looks presentable, but okay, that's what the back looks like. This is my side profile, and then here. Okay, so this is the full and finished look. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't not forget to like it, share, and of course you guys please subscribe to my channel. We're currently at 336 subscribers. You guys, I would love to get 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, so I would really appreciate you guys watching the video. If you guys watch and also subscribe, thank you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. See you guys.
Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew.